how to set up and activate eSIM on iPhone 16 Pro Max. So if you want to set up eSIM on your iPhone, then it's the same with all of the other models as well. So what you need to do is open up your iPhone settings. After opening, you'll get this kind of interface. Now you need to scroll down and then you can go with mobile or cellular option and choose transfer from a nearby iPhone. Or you may also have an option of add eSIM option. You just need to simply tap on add eSIM. Now to set up your eSIM, you'll have 2, 3 or 4 options. So the first one is transfer from nearby iPhone. You can tap on it and then scan the QR code provided by your carrier and then proceed with the on-screen prompt. Or you can go with use QR code. Center the QR code inside your iPhone camera frame to scan it. If prompted to enter a confirmation code to activate the eSIM, type the code provided by your network operator, tap on continue or done to finalize your activation. Or you'll also have an option of transfer from Android as well, or view travel options. You'll have your data roaming option, or you can also get a travel eSIM as well. So this is how you can add an eSIM or set up an eSIM on your iPhone. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.